All right, man. So what is this one called?
So this here is the Sport Scout. What you're seeing here is this is the 1250 liquid.
The 1250 liquid. Okay,
Yeah,
got
so
you. This is the Big Daddy, huh?
Well, it's a smaller bike, less weight, but
More motor.
More motor.
Oh, nice.
And it is a 6-speed on this one as well.
Okay.
Mirrors are going to be in a different location. They're going to be below. It also has a full.
It's got the full digital.
well.
Okay, nice.
So this one has a fob button down here. The fob is tied into the bike.
Okay, got you.
Yeah, your coilover on your suspensions.
Okay.
Hold one blinker button over here.
Got you. This thing is pretty neat. I like the color on here. So now, what's this Scout Edition?
So this one here, this is the 101, so it has a bigger motor than the standard Scout.
Okay.
So the 1250.
Oh, so that's what this bike is called, the Scout.
Yep.
Okay, got you. So this is the 101 Scout.
Yep.
Got you. Okay.
Yep. So if you want to take this for a ride, we'll get you scanned out on that.
For sure. Yeah, let's try it out, man.
So it's got more power than the bigger bikes.
And less weight. That should be more fun, right?
Well,
We'll see. I can check out this one. All right, guys, so we're going to check out this Indian Scout 101. This is the one with the Big Daddy engine on it. So my guy says, man, so only because you told us to ride it, man. So you guys know we rode our first Indian a few minutes ago, that being the Dark Horse. Now we're going to try our second Indian of all time, man. Ooh, look at that dash. That thing is nice.
just checking all your controls.
Great.
I'm going to put you in standard mode to start. To switch into the power modes, you simply just hit that button there.
Okay.
I'll put you in standard to start.
Okay. You guys got traction on this thing? There we go. I see it. Oh, it's got a few setups. All right.
Ready to start?
Let's see what we got, man. So here we are. This is the 2024 or 25? 2025 101 Scout, man. The Big Daddy edition, as you guys see right there, man. You guys let me know what you guys think about it. Let me get my helmet together. And we'll get this show. And we'll get this show on the road, man. Let's see what we got. Alrighty. So we got our mirrors down here. That's different. Different with the mirrors being down there. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's go back to the regular. Oh, this reminds me of the Harley XG. I believe it's like some XG 750, but Harley actually has. All right, so let's just get up out of here really quick. Buddy said, I'm gonna put you in the standard, and I'm not, okay? I'm gonna take the traction control off and put it in sport and see what else we got here now. This should be fun. Being that I know when we rode the Harley like this, it was like, it was definitely a different feel. Now, am I gonna go the whole route on this bike? I probably won't go the whole route on this bike, but we'll definitely see what we can get done. Ooh, that thing sound good. Let me see how it sounds. It sound good, y'all. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Now, it's not as fast as the Harley like this version. Y'all know Harley-Davidson got a version just like this. Harley's is a lot faster. Now I don't wanna make this like a pity party and just crap all over Indian. But the way he was talking, he was just like, man, you know, Harley, you can do this and do that. He like, Indian, you can do this, you can't do any of that on Harley. I'm like, yeah, okay, bro. We'll see. Meanwhile, we are on the Scout 101, my second Indian ride of all time. So I don't expect it to be as fun just because all this wind is hitting me right now, man. I need that fairing on the front to really enjoy this bike. Look, there go the boys over there. Let me slow it down, baby. Let me slow it down, baby. Let me slow it down. Let me see. All right, man. So we got 75 miles range. We on sport mode with traction control off. Let's see what we got. Yeah, these brake setup is different. It's really like the Harley. I swear to you, like, I don't know who does the bikes first. Like, do Harley do the bike first, and then Indian come through and be like, yeah, let's just make one like that, or do Harley do it first? Because they got a bunch of the bikes that's nearly. Okay, let's see if we can get to the front. I know you guys are gonna be like, hey man, you can't do that in Phoenix, dude. You can't do it in Phoenix, man. You can't do it in Phoenix, brother. I know. Can we get a green light though? Can we get a green light? I want a green light. Can we roll out? Give me green. Give me green. Let's see. Woo. Okay. We're gonna actually ride this one. Let's see what we can do. Okay, we got cars coming up, man. You guys know we gotta keep it easy. We got them things coming through. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Okay, we're making a right here. I kind of remember now. See, you put on that turn signal. See how that thing go. These mirrors aren't the best. I'm not gonna hold you. Like, who puts mirrors down here? That thing sucks. Oh, that's how you do it. I'm not gonna hold you. That sucks. That's one thing I don't like is these mirrors. Them things is trash. Let me see what we got here. It got some little get up. Like I said, man, I rode the Harley version, and I'm not gonna hold you. Harley got them beat on this bike specifically. They got them beat. I'm not gonna hold you. They got them beat. This is a nice color scheme though. Nice color scheme, nice little ride. Like, we are in Arizona, man, so it's gonna be hot. This is something you might want. You know, keep you on the cooler side of things. As for fast, they said this was a bigger motor than the road glides, well, the dark horses, the challengers, and the chieftain rather. They said this was the bigger motor but a smaller bike. Now those motors on that bike, I feel like I can really get in and enjoy it more, just because you don't got so much wind hitting you. I took my spot. I was about to go right there. Just because you can, you don't got so much wind hitting you, but you know, it does. It is a pretty cool ride. I wish I could see from the outside view. I wish I could see like out there and just watch me right now. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I know the bike looks sexy. That's why I picked it, because the bike looks sexy as heck. The bike looks sexy as heck, man. This red is killing. I like the graphics on here. I like the graphics and everything on here, man. So definitely a different ride. Definitely different from what I'm used to. Feels pretty good though, not gonna hold you. Got the suspension in the back. Then of course we do have like the digital dash. It's 68 degrees out here right now, man. Is this the one? Is this where we turn? Oh no, we don't even turn right here. I messed up. It's the other. I almost got the path down, y'all. Alright, let's see what we got here. 35 of them. Let's slow it down then. I'm scared to lean on this bike. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm scared to lean too far on this bike. Let's see if we can get some smoke. Is this a Harley? Let me see. Let me see if we can get some smoke. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's see what we got. He wasn't trying to get no real smoke with that Harley, man. I hope my Indian lovers is not too excited right now that we beat a Harley at the light, man. I hope y'all not too excited. But I'm not gonna hold you. The ride is very nice. out here to Phoenix, man, they'll let you ride a bike. I keep saying Harley, and I'm on the Indian. Boy, that's crazy. Y'all see where my head is. Y'all see where my heart is. Y'all see where my heart lies, man. Now, see, these mirrors are so trash, I can't see nothing behind me. This thing is nice. I love this freaking view, bro. The view is like, I don't know if the view is better than this ride right now. I don't know. But we are floating on these things, man. Y'all see what's going on. We are on the Indian Scout 101. So the Scout, I'm guessing, is like the starter bike for the Indian. So if you guys are looking for a nice starter, this might be the one for you. Front brakes on it is nice. Nice. Let's see what we got here. The front brakes on it are so nice. Really nice ride, man. I'm not gonna hold you. If you guys can get down here and ride some of these bikes, y'all better come out here and enjoy it now. Come out here and enjoy it now, brother. Yeah, I'm gonna try that Street Glide Indian when I get back. Try that Street Glide Indian. That might be the one for us. Meanwhile, y'all see what's going on, man. We out here in Phoenix, Arizona. If y'all just now tuning in, make sure you like the video for your boy. I know y'all love the Harleys, but we have to show Indian some love, man. You never know what might come out in the future, but I ain't gonna hold you. You know, just riding the Indian, it make me much more of a, did we turn right here or down there? I forget. It make me much more of a Harley-Davidson fan, that's for sure. Let me see. Oh, you can adjust your suspension right here too, I guess, huh? Let's see what this menu does. Okay, the ride. Oh, you can track the ride too. That's pretty dope. What you gonna do, Jack? These gauges is cool. It give you the gear you in and how fast you're going. That's pretty dope. I like this gauge. Maybe you gotta tighten them up some more, because when you get in the wind, bro, they literally just slowly but surely keep rising up. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know, Harley, man. You don't gotta press 4 buttons to turn this thing off. He's like, you know, the general on and off switch right there, the general power button, trying to be smart. Yes, sir. This is a really cool ride. Oh, we got the same helmet. We got the same helmet. She's got that same helmet I got right there. Yes, sir. I like the helmet. Love the helmet. Yes, sir. We slide. We definitely slide, that's for sure. like that, guys. We have ridden the Scouts, the new Big Daddy. That's it. First gear puts you at about 65 miles an hour. First gear puts you at about 60 miles an hour. Yes, sir. We are in here, man. Phoenix, Arizona. It's time to go yay yay, man. It sound good. It sounds really good, that's for sure. Ooh. Alrighty, guys, we have made it back. Like I said, you guys can ride any bike over here. They got the CVOs over there lined up just waiting for me. Oh man, as much as I didn't roll the CVO, man, it's nothing like a CVO. I wonder if they'll let me ride that ATV. That's the one I want to ride. One of them ATVs or one of this sports bike. I'll probably ride one of them Gixxers next. I ain't gonna hold you. I'll probably ride one of them things. Oh, here the power switch on this one. Got it. Alrighty, guys. That Scout, man, what did you guys think about the first ride? It was pretty sick. This color is nice. That red on there is really sick, really different. Love the color on here, man. You guys let me know what you think about it in the comments below.